So if you're doing body work, this is your typical scene here. You want something different? Like this? Use Eastwood's new Dustless sanding block system. So what is this and why do you need it? Well, I'll tell you, for guys like you and me that are doing body work at home, you don't want the mess, you don't want the dust, you don't want the hassle, whether it's on you or on your shop equipment. What this is a combination of foam blocking with the nylon plates. Gets the panel laser straight, eliminates 95% of the dust, comfortable to work with, easy to use. So we brought in this vehicle just for this video. We're going ahead and put it in epoxy primer in prep for doing body work. And a lot of body work is what we did. We wanted to create a booth or something, we didn't know what it was going to be at the time, so that we could take half the car and sand traditional way and the other half with the new DSB, and we wanted to be able to capture dust or lack of. So this is what you're seeing right here. So you can see what we did here. We applied pretty much equivalent filler to both sides of the vehicle, on the doors and coming up into the front fender. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put Cody on one side with a traditional foam block and myself on the other with the new DSB. So you can see what's happening here. I mean, Cody's knocking this down and he's using 80 grit on the block, but you can see the dust is just, it's falling down, it's falling on him, onto the floor. Even in slow motion shot there, you could just see the dust coming right off of this thing. And that's what we're all used to. That's what's happening until now.
Well, we're about 15 minutes in and this is how it looks.
So on to my side now. You can see, plug this thing into just your standard shop vac. We give you all the hoses, all the connections, everything you're gonna need, and then you just go to town on it. So as you can see, I'm into it right now. I'm sanding and you don't see a lot of dust at all. I mean, you see some of the little nuggets on the ground. That's from me coming across the ridges from just pore spreading on there. But there's almost no dust at all. So you can see here, again, we put it into slow motion, just like we did on Cody's side. And you can't see any dust. So the results right here speak for themselves. I mean, this is to the left side there, this is what we're all used to. On the right side, this is the DSB. I mean, the video doesn't lie. This is sanding with 80 grit, and this is the result. So check this out. That's about 1 inch deep of filler in your vacuum and not in your shop. So again, I really want to get this point across to you guys. One of the best features of this block is the nylon blocking plate on here that gets these panels laser straight and flat. So we took it from 80, 120, 180, and I'm stopping at 220, and then we're going to use the roll-on OptiFlow system and show you how laser straight these panels are. So what we're going to do now, we're going to focus just on the door here and we're going to show you. We're going to take this thing down to 400, show you with some of our panel check fluid and a light how straight this block got this door. So the panel check fluid just gives you that high gloss level on the panel so you can see. What you really are looking for is that light that we have. You want that flat laser light beam in there. You don't want to see this moving because that is there to show you any of your highs or lows. And you can see that light doesn't lie. It's exactly what we got is a laser flat panel. So you saw how the nylon vacuum plate there gives you that laser straight blocking. You also have the hybrid design with the flexibility. The foam block up here bonded to that nylon plate gives you the flexibility to go onto the large areas like your roof, deck lids, hoods, and follow those contours perfectly. So the last great feature about the Contour DSB is that it's going to save you money. The paper is going to last about twice as long versus traditional paper. So with traditional paper, you guys are aware of it, it just starts loading up. There's nowhere for that dust to go, so it loads up on your paper, it starts skipping, then you end up with those faint lines on there, no longer with the DSB. Takes all of that dust, extracts it away so that your paper, all of your pieces of abrasive are sitting there and they're all working for you. They're not loaded up on one side of the paper. The entire thing is used. Lasts a lot longer, blocks faster, blocks straighter. Okay, so you saw the thing. I mean, the video doesn't lie. 95% of the dust is collected into the vacuum. It's not in your shop, it's not in your lungs. Flexible, contours to any of the surfaces that you're about to use. Blocks laser flat. This one I really like. That nylon plate takes out a lot of the inexperience that I got on blocking because results like you saw there of a professional. Saves money, uses less paper. That's a no-brainer there. So you want more information? Click the link in the description or go to eastwood.com.